So I'm sure you guys know that Jada has moved on to a new business venture, and she has moved into the beauty industry. So she has a new brand that's called Jayda Cheaves or Jayda Cheaves Beauty, and she has a new lip kit. So I'm guessing she's starting off with the lip kit first. Now, a lot of people had different things to say about it. People did their own reviews on TikTok, and there were some good reviews. I actually didn't see no negative reviews. I just seen a lot of people say they wouldn't spend $60 on a lip kit. So anyways, one person had something negative to say about Jada's lip kit, and Jada ended up responding to this person. You guys go ahead and take a listen.
When I tell y'all, everybody on this app is fake as fuck. I'm seeing so many people with this Jayda Cheaves Beauty lip kit. Y'all going overboard. Like, y'all ain't never seen a lip kit before. It'd be different if she had something like different in it that every makeup company don't have. Like, come on now. The only thing I can say is the actual lip gloss, like, it's very pigmented. When you see people put it on, like, it's very pigmented. So that's a good sign. Cause every company that you get like lip glosses and all of that from doesn't be super pigmented. So I give her that. But y'all bitches on this app, I don't know if y'all trying to get her to post y'all video or what. But this shit just look, when y'all get through putting it on, it's like a regular lip combo. Like, all the lip combos look the same. Be honest, be fucking for real. Like, for real. Y'all are doing extremely too much. I get supporting your girl. Support your y'all faves. Support. But y'all going overboard. Like, these videos, y'all with the shit. It's some fake ass. These folks fake as fuck on this app. Baby, that look like original, regular ass lip combo. Being honest. Except for her, like I said, it looks very pigmented. Yes, that product looks very pigmented. But after, it just looks like a regular lip combo. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It doesn't matter how many lip combos. You can go to the beauty supply store and get a lip liner, a brown lip liner. I just seen somebody raving over the lip liner. Baby, that's a regular lip liner. You can literally get that out of the beauty supply store. Like, come on, y'all. What? Am I the only one? Like, be for real. Comment under this. If you have that Jayda Cheaves Beauty lip kit and it's something different than any other lip kits that you done bought before, let me know down in the comments. Cause I say my bad. I say I'm sorry with this and that. On top of everybody, on top of it's $60, y'all was just complaining about Sexy Red lip glosses pack set last month that was $80. And here comes Jayda Cheaves with a regular eyeliner pencil and a lip oil and lip gloss for $60. Y'all gotta let me know what's going on.
Before we get into Jada's response to this girl's TikTok about her lip kit, I did want to show you guys this one review on Jada's lip kit.
I was just about to leave and then my Jada lip kit came, so we about to make that the lip of the day. The only thing I'm scared of is that the lip liner might not be dark enough, but she did use it on a girl darker than me, so we're gonna see. All right. Oh, there my Okay, that is perfect. Actually, lips definitely look bigger. I love that. They already big, but you know what I mean. But I love that. That outlined perfectly. Next, we're gonna go in with the lip gloss Amore. And I don't like to use too much color. I think I just do it like that, like right in the middle. That's really cute. And then the lip oil will go on top. So let's see. This is kind of actually my everyday already. Oh, that's real soft. That's real soft. Okay, I didn't need that much, sorry. And this is the finished product. It looks super cute. Like, I think it's super freaking cute.
Oh my gosh. This single-handedly might be the best formula of lip combos that I've ever tried in my life. Not even guessing.
So even when you search up Jada's beauty lip kit on TikTok, it gives you the search highlights, and it says user experiences, positive feedback. Users appreciate the natural flattering shades that complement various skin tones, particularly for those with darker complexions. The lip kit is noted for its smooth application and long-lasting wear, making it suitable for everyday use. The packaging is described as elegant and practical with a design that makes it easy to carry and use on the go. Negative feedback. There are no significant negative reviews mentioned in the provided videos. However, individual preferences may vary, and some users might find certain shades are less appealing, which is true. Then it tells you the 3 different options that Jada has: mocha, amore, and ice. And it says the overall value. The Jayda Cheaves beauty lip kit is considered a good value for its quality and the variety of products included. Users appreciate the quick shipping and excellent customer service, which enhances the overall shopping experience. So let's go ahead and jump right into Jada's response to this TikToker.
People with this Jayda Cheaves beauty lip kit, y'all going overboard.
Or maybe just what if the product is actually very good? I don't have to pay for promo. I don't have to do the most because my product speaks for itself, and that goes for Wait a Minute as well. Just the same way when I first dropped Wait a Minute and they told me that it was weak and I had to put the work in to make it better, I've spent the same amount of time into this beauty brand to make sure that it was perfect for everybody so that they will love it and we give them quality, cruelty-free makeup. So I just don't understand this energy that people are organically promoting an item. Is it just because it's me? That's why you can't get with it? Yeah, it could be a million people selling bread, but they ain't selling Jada Waiter bread. And that's just what it is. I'd love to send you a kit so you can see what the hype.
So far from all the reviews, it seems like everybody loves Jada's lip kit. The only negative reviews I've seen were basically people saying they're not paying $60 for a lip kit. And the only other one I seen was a lot of people saying try Remedy by Ari next, which is not a negative comment. Somebody just wanted the TikToker to, try Remedy by Ari's lip kit, lip combo, and, give her thoughts and opinions on it. But I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. If you feel like you don't want to pay $60 for something, guess what? You don't have to. If somebody has the money to and they want to try something and it's $60, it's their money. That's what they want to do with their money. I don't understand why people always tell somebody what to do with their money. Like, if you don't think people should be spending $60 on a lip kit, that's how you feel, which I can understand. If you want to go to the beauty supply store and hook you up a beauty kit for about a good $20, then go ahead. But some people want to spend the $60 to try the kit to see what it's like, and some of these people also want to buy because they like the influencer, they want to support the influencer and see what their product is about. But like I said, I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this, and make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, get the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.